wearing this mask for hours, so I am done with the N95 and waiting on Sada to get here. At least this one goes over your head, so that's convenient compared to the one you have to put on your ears. I just wear this one on the plane to be more safe, you know. Okay, but like seriously though, where's my sister? This is her first time coming to the airport, so I have to cut her some slack. She's the one who knows in my family that I'm here. The rest of my family doesn't know. So that's fun. My brother's gonna be so excited. Got picked up. Going home. Sada finally made it to the airport.
Just risked my life for summer to get here. I got lost.
Oh, this is so cute. I just noticed this. Who got you that?
Me, from McDonald's Happy Meal.
The Travis Scott meal?
No. It was like from the middle of nowhere on the way to Illinois.
Oh, I was gonna say, how did they even make the Travis Scott meal without the bacon? Like, I feel like everything at McDonald's is pre-made.
They just take it out.
They just take it out.
I know it's literally just a quarter pounder, right?
No, I know. I don't remember the last time I ate McDonald's.
I don't like McDonald's either, makes me feel sick.
So when I got really excited, I thought for a second my heart was gonna blast.
Your heart was gonna blast? Oh my god.
That's how excited I was. And it was basically like something that I've never experienced before.
So what's your favorite subject in school?
Art.
Art?
Yeah.
Really? But all day you've been showing me engineering things that you put together.
Yeah, because there's no such thing as engineering class.
When I was in 4th grade, lunch was my favorite class.
Lunch isn't even a subject.
So now we're back home and we are carving out a jack-o'-lantern. This is a lot more work than it looks like because pumpkins are not that soft. Heads up, it smells pretty bad.
Yeah.
Oh, Baba said we're gonna toast all of the seeds, right? And we're gonna make them into bizzard because
Wash them first.
Wash them.
Dry them.
Yeah.
And then put them in the air fryer with some salt and roast them.
You heard that. Hey y'all, I just finished my Zoom meeting. I did it in my dad's office. I feel like this is the most privacy I will be able to get in this house. You know, there's a door and everything. Everything went really well. It's always funny explaining to people that like, I'm in St. Louis, but I live in Pittsburgh, but I plan to be between New York City once the pandemic's over. I'll talk to you guys more about what the meetings are in the future once things are kind of approved. So my brother has a 20-minute Zoom break and I wanted some real good coffee, like not the house coffee. So we went to drive-thru to go get some coffee. We got 4 minutes till you need to be back in class, right?
Yeah.
We'll be speeding down the street.
It's a donut.
You rate me out of 10.
9.
Really? What's the room for improvement?
No improvement because nobody can be a 10.
Oh, wow, okay. Hey, Baba, what's up? What are you working on?
Chicken.
Chicken? Looking real good.
Very good too.
Do you think you've reached professional status at this point?
Ask Ibrahim. How do you think?
I think he reached already like 10 years ago professional status.
10 years ago?
He tried the steak and he loved the steak.
That's pretty juicy.
Steak that I just ate right now is so soft, it just melts in my mouth. Let's do archery.
All right, let's go.
First, I have my bow.
My brother tends to just take my mom's hot pink ones that we got from Syria a long time ago. Yay for the aesthetic.
Well, now let's go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. What?
Uh-oh, it didn't work. Okay, got it.
Hello, everybody. This is Summer's first try, or should I say second try on archery.
Which way was it again? I believe this goes this way, right?
Yes, it does.
Okay, but why does it face me?
That's because you're pointing it the wrong way.
Ah, like this.
But now you put it in the wrong direction.
This correct?
Let me see.
Is this correct, Ibrahim?
No.
Which way?
You put it this way. So not the... Okay, let me stop
Like
recording.
This? Like this?
How do you stop recording first?
There's the red button right there.
This is Summer's probably second try doing the archery.
Yeah.
And now she got the handle of it.
Ready?
So 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it went over the fence.
It went over the fence. This is what you see right now. It's Summer's second try, maybe, doing it.
1, 2, 3.
That's a perfect shot.
Got it, guys. What you talking about? I told you I'm good at this. So here I am catching up with my mom. Mama, what are you up to?
I'm cutting a watermelon.
Oh, really?
I saw a TikTok about how to cut a watermelon.
Okay.
And this one seems to have thicker skin than the one on TikTok. Even though my knife
Oh, it's not bad. You're doing a good job.
is pretty sharp.
How happy are you that I'm in town?
I'm ecstatic.
Ecstatic. I can see it in your eyes.
I couldn't believe it, especially since you surprised me. And exactly had your room ready because your brother's using it for e-learning. Now with e-learning, all we have in the laundry room is pajamas.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I don't see him.
Ibrahim doesn't have to wear his uniform for school, right?
But he actually changes his clothes every day. He
Yeah.
wears new clothes.
No, I made him even do his hair and put like, cause I mean you
He
should.
needs to learn how to be a human.
Yeah.
even if he's
It's for yourself too. It's not just for the school. Like you feel like you are ready to start the day.
He needs to feel like he's going somewhere, even though he's not. Poor kid hardly goes anywhere. But you know what? These will all be memories one day. Everybody will talk about. Remember the COVID-19? Remember that? Remember the masks? Try to find me a bowl the right size right there.
Are you actually gonna try it now?
I think
You
so.
can make them into squares.
Really? We could try it and then you could square it later if you don't want it. This one will work. Isn't that the right size?
This red one is, yeah.
Okay.
What is your favorite activity to do in the house with the quarantine and things like that? I mean,
Ooh, I'm addicted to this show, Ertugrul.
okay. I
Good
meant in the
show.
house, but Ertugrul is in the house.
It's in the house.
Yeah.
On Netflix.
Yeah.
The only thing with Netflix shows that are foreign, you always have to pay attention because you have to read.
Yeah.
If you
or
miss-
learn Turkish.
If you miss reading it, you're done. You've missed a whole part of it. So you have to pay attention completely. With any other show, you can kind of like, eat something, iron, do anything else you want to do, but not with foreign shows.
I really want to get on that show, but I've been watching a Lebanese series, so I need to finish that one first because those are endless episodes too.
Foreign shows that are on Netflix has taught me one thing. I grew up in the 80s and we never had foreign shows on American TV, and you really couldn't rent them without knowing anything about them. They weren't available
They weren't
to
even in
rent.
English to rent.
But really, American society's missed out on so many talented producers and filmmakers and actors from other countries.
and even
that we
points
never-
of view from other history. I mean, like a lot of time our history was taught in Eurocentric viewpoint, whereas Ertugrul talks about it in the Turkish viewpoint.
Yeah, making those
Turkish
warriors
people and those
the
warriors
hero.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which, I mean, everyone is their own hero in their story, so...
Yeah, but they also did a good job not trying to make the enemy look like they're all evil. Only the ones who were participating in the actual event were the evil ones, but the ones who were not part of it were not evil. They didn't try to generalize any certain enemy.
Pit religions against each
Yeah,
other.
they didn't do that. They were good about that.
That's nice.
That's not something I grew up with. In the US, if you had an enemy, it meant all of them, especially in the 80s. Now things have improved a lot, but there's still a lot of work to be done.
I'm gonna go check on what Sada is up to right now. How's it going? Oh my god, this is so nice.
It's for my art class.
It's really nice. I thought this is something someone commissioned you to make.
No, this is a project. It's due tomorrow, by the way.
This was, I think, for your art class, right?
This was like 3 years ago.
Sada's typical breakfast. This one is incredible. Who is this?
NBA Youngboy.
It's Travis Scott, right?
Scott, bro.
But how come he doesn't have eyes?
I don't know. I kept messing up.
So you just made him like clouds? I like it though.
Look at this. I did that one.
I like it. Honestly, I really liked it. I was like, who made this incredible Barbie painting sitting right by
It's me, right? Look.
It's definitely you. Maybe once if you don't tone your hair.
Maybe if I keep dyeing my hair.
If you keep dyeing your hair and don't tone it, that's what you're gonna look like. All right, this is my other sister, Susie. Hey, Susie. Hi. This is my twin now. I think people confuse us a lot because we both wear a scarf. Do you guys think we look that much alike? I think there's a difference.
I'm obviously prettier.
It's obviously noticeable different. Like I'm obviously smarter. Yeah. Look at her fresh hijabi scarf collection. She literally has 10 scarves. But seriously, how do you only own 10 scarves?
I have more in my closet. Those
Oh,
are
like
just
12?
The modal.
The modal ones?
Modal.
Yeah, Susie's like, oh, Susie, Summer, it's so easy to organize your scarves. Just get one of these hangers. Like, bitch, I own way more than these. I own like 200
I
scarves.
know, I'm premature.
She didn't even have to go through all of those like phases of the printed scarves, the satin scarves, the silk scarves. She just bought what's on trend right now and like, that's it.
That machine has gotten so much use. I'm so glad I got it on a really big discount.
You know what's funny is that ever since I moved, the usage went down by 1/3, right?
Kind of, yeah. I had another machine that broke down. Guess what the count was on the coffee? I think we owned it for 3 years.
Okay.
7,000. It had a timer. Told you.
7,000 cups.
Yeah.
Well, you know if you do the math and you times it by $5, that's how many Starbucks cups you would have saved if you had drank them out. How many cups a day would you say you have?
Don't tell anyone. Especially my husband. At least 4 to 5 cups.
What? Mama.
I know
Mama.
it's bad for you.
You need to
but
switch to
there's all these
tea.
studies now that it's cancer, like
Preventative?
Preventative. There's it improves your.
But you know it stunts your growth?
I'm done growing. Nothing gives me more anxiety than Ertugrul. I want him to win in all his battles, and when he loses in some of them and gets caught and roped down and taken hostage, I get very upset. I know he's gonna live because I skipped to like season 3 and he's still there.
Oh my god.
But-
I'm gonna go for a walk with my brother.
For you.
I can't film YouTube videos in this house. We love taking a walk on the road. And this is something we did all the time during quarantine, right, Ibrahim?
Yep.
What do we do every day? Every single day we would go for a mile walk together so we feel like we left the house. And it did a lot for our mental health. Don't you think it made us feel better?
Yeah. Like this.
Wow.
So it's strawberry, watermelon, some mint.
Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I think they should sell this as a dessert in a restaurant.
Arabic coffee.
Eh.
You keep boiling and boiling and boiling until it's
Arabic coffee in the oven?
And
In the fireplace?
on the fireplace, yeah.
Taib. Let's do it. Halal marshmallows, y'all.
Yeah.
Mama, I feel like the ratio of marshmallow to pitchfork is way
I know, I had big ones.
Like, how are you even gonna
But my little nieces come over and eat all the big ones, so all I have is these baby ones now.
Yeah.
the ratio of stick to marshmallow. It is so cute. Seconds, because look at how tiny this marshmallow is. Yep, it is done. So my dad actually took the dole of ahwe, which is the coffee pot, and he stuck it in the fireplace.
Hey, with some,
Some Syrian Turkish coffee.
Okay.
We are with the queen of adventuring, which is Aya over here. So I'm gonna start painting with my brother. I'm literally leaving to the airport in 20 minutes, but I took him to Michael's and we are going to paint something real quick so he is not sad that I'm gone. I really like these peach colors lately. Purple would match nicely too. Ooh, green. Very like 80s vibes. So this is my painting. I'm matching my outfit here with the violet and green and blue transition. Ibrahim, what are you thinking so far?
It's pretty nice.
Very nice, right?
And this is mine. I'm blending in all the colors with the blue. And I think it'll look nice because I'm going to make some trees and other stuff.
Yeah.
And I don't know what Summer is making right now, but she's eventually going to find out.
I'm thinking of an idea. I'm still debating it. Wow, I'm so impressed with this technique, Habibi.
Thank you.